Yeah, hello friends. Today we have a interesting topic: why we don't have interest to learn or study. Usually, children will have more interest than adults. Adults' ability to learn is more than parents. Correct? Why parents are unable to learn or why adults are unable to learn? So we'll understand today. Okay. First of all, we have to understand what is intelligence. Intelligence, it is like a screen. Okay, if you have more screen, bigger the screen size, then more intelligence. Okay, we also say this person is having very good capacity to grasp, right? That means he is able to understand it is very fast. More the intelligence, more the understanding capacity, or we can say more the clarity they will have. See, just like there's a blackboard in our class, so we will have different teachers will come and they will write, right? For example, math teacher came and he wrote, and science teacher came and he wrote here, and everything English, and all of them they wrote here. So then how does it feel? It is so zigzag, right? So confusing. It is very disturbing. Okay, so what one has to learn is, see what the teacher will do before another teacher comes. They will clean the blackboard first, so then they write. So then that will get into the clarity. Now see, if they don't clean the blackboard, then there will be lot of confusion to the child. See, lot of information is there nowadays. You can get from YouTube, you can Google it, or you'll have so many PDFs, and you have Byju's, and all these things are there. But what happened is the blackboard is not clean. The intelligence of the child is not clean. So instead of he enjoying learning, there will be confusion will be created. Just like you might have seen that Tare Zameen Par movie, na? So that child will get so confused. So it will be like that. See, for example, a doctor is there. So doctors, it's his intelligence. So it already filled with whatever he has learnt about the doctor things. So these are all got filled with the doctor things. So very less space is available to learn other new things. So if you tell him to learn some engineering or accounts, so the intelligence doesn't support it. So he is unable to learn other than what he was holding. So in the same like that. For example, a person who is a very good, the best engineer, he will give more his intelligence only for the engineering things. He can, if someone suggests, you learn the doctor things, health related things, that his intelligence doesn't support. So friends, did you get it? Like whatever the screen, what they hold here, they believe like they are doctor, they are engineer, they are accountant, something they feel it, and the another new information they are unable to get it. And so this is the main important thing. So the solution to this is they have to learn to do meditation. Meditation makes the screen clear, so the ability to learn will increase day by day. The clearer the screen is directly proportional to the ability to learn. So the more you meditate, what happens in meditation is you are able to relax. More you relax, more you can study, more you can learn. That is a simple thing. Why to do meditation? Not to get some powers like that. It is just to have some relaxation. Another thing is like, see, children, they'll simply learn. Everything for them it is play. But what happens to adults or parents? They expect and do something. Correct? So usually an employee is there. So if you ask him to learn something new for the less payment, usually they don't agree for that. If you give more money to them, then they are ready to learn the new technologies. So their ability to learn is directly proportional to the money they get in the office. So this is the another problem. But logically, when you understand, the more you learn, if you learn some updated technology, naturally you will get another job or you'll get promoted. But their mind got filled with money, so the ability is coming down. So the important thing what we have learned is, summarizing, is keep it clear the screen, that is clear the intelligence. Next thing is, like, you don't expect, simply like a play for fun. If you study, then naturally you will get the knowledge. So these are the two key points we have to understand. More see, the information is more, but what is happening is the screen is not clear and you are not doing without any expecting. Aramse you are not learning. For example, you like a hero or heroine. So what happens? Or you like Sachin. Naturally, you will get the knowledge about him. What was the first match he played, or how many runs did he score? All those things you'll know very very naturally without any effort. But if you go and study academic, it will become a burden. Why? Because you are studying for marks, or employees are studying and learning for money. So this is creating the burden for them. So another main important thing is they are not having the connectivity. What is happening is, for example, a person is studying 6th, 7th, 8th, it is going like that, right? 9th and 10th. For example, this is his memory or intelligence or holding capacity. So in 6th he is taking all information. In summer holidays, but he's what do we call? He's throwing everything out of the glass. Next it is becoming empty. Again he is filling 7th class. He already forgotten what he learnt in 6th class. Next again by summer holidays he is pouring everything out. And 7th class it is again 8th class again it's an empty. Now again he will fill during whole 1 year, he will fill it, and again after summer holidays he will throw out. So everybody is forgetting what they studied in previous years. They are only holding till the exams. Why it is happening like that? Because there is no proper connectivity in what they are learning. So how to learn while connectivity study, we will see in the next video. Thank you.